Hello everyone. So this time around I've decided to appear for advanced performance management. However, what I felt was that there's not enough content material available for this exam. So after a lot of hard work and after a lot of effort, I have finally gathered some really good learning material and I decided to share that with everybody. However, before moving into the content material, I felt it's important to understand what APM is and what you can expect from this course material before appearing for the exam. So starting with the basic, what is APM? Advanced Performance Management. It is an exam that focuses on evaluating, measuring, and analyzing performance of a business. How the business is doing financially, how the business is doing non-financially, is the business achieving its objectives or not. However, a lot of people don't opt for APM. Maybe because there is a myth around the fact that the pass rates are really low, which is kind of true. The pass rates are low, but if you actually get to understand the paper, it's pretty easy. The course material is lengthy. However, you don't have to learn everything. You just need to understand the concepts, and that would help you pass. And also, most importantly, practice is really important when it comes to APM. Um, People struggle with APM. Yes, this is true. This is because they are still into the concept of rote learning. They tend to learn everything that is there in the syllabus without understanding the concepts. So when it comes to actually applying those concepts into real exam scenarios, they don't do well because they don't actually understand the concepts. So this paper is entirely conceptual. And once you understand what the question is asking you and you're able to apply those concepts into the scenario, you can 100% pass. Um, Also, the paper is not numeric. It's 80%, basically, it's 80% non numeric and 20% numeric. But in some exams, you'll see that no numbers or no concepts are tested when it comes to numerics. Okay, lastly, who should take APM? So, if you're somebody who likes making decisions, who likes to delve into nitty gritty details, and who likes to analyze things, then this is the perfect choice for you because that's all what APM is about. You'll be given a scenario, you'll be asked that, oh, this is happening in the business, can you evaluate the performance? Is it doing better? Is it not? If it's not doing better, what will you suggest? It's totally your analysis that will help in this paper. Moving on to the course outline. So these are some of the important topics that I have highlighted here. Um, Performance hierarchy is about the mission statement, what the business wants to achieve, vision, how will it achieve, and critical success factors. These are the factors that are important, or you can say crucial for the success of the business. Then there are performance indicators, financial and non-financial performance indicators. So once you're evaluating the performance of the business, you can either do it through financial indicators or non-financial indicators. Financial indicators will cover your ratios that will include profitability ratios, it will include economic value added, it will include at present value, investment ratios, basically everything that you need to know to understand how the organization is performing financially. Non-financial indicators will include the quality of your products, it will include customer service, it will include customer experience. So ABM focuses on the fact that performance is not only financial but non-financial as well, because these aspects largely influence if the business is successful or not. Now there's performance reporting and evaluation. I can explain this by an example. So let's say that you get a question in your exam saying to evaluate the performance of an XYZ company. Okay, they tell you that, sorry, that the mission is to maximize shareholders' wealth, and they have measured performance by customer service, gross profit, and quality of products. Here you will have to evaluate if these performance indicators are actually helping them determine if they are maximizing shareholders' wealth or not. So, for example, if they are providing good customer service, then is that helping them achieve their goal of shareholders' wealth maximization? If the gross profit is high, is it achieving this goal? If the quality of products is low, is this achieving this goal? So you have to link all the performance indicators to the mission and then evaluate the performance report. Then there's environmental management accounting. This is based on sustainability. Is your business following sustainable practices or not? Then there's data analytics. This covers AI. This covers big data, all the new concepts and how these help in measuring performance. There's also quality management, different indicators of quality and how they affect performance. Then there is complex business structures. So speaking of complex business structures, here we will talk about how you can measure performance of a franchise, or how you can measure performance of a joint venture, because these are complex business structures. This is not a conventional business. Then there is performance management for not-for-profit organizations. So one of the measures for evaluating performance is profitability. For example, if there's a company who's not making any profit, so how do you measure their performance? There's also another topic called budgets. This is also very important, and it speaks of how budgets evaluate performance. So here's just a brief overview of what you can expect from the course and how you will be moving on with this course. I will be putting up videos for every single topic, so you don't have to worry over here. So like I said, you will get detailed explanation videos on every topic, exam practice questions. So once I upload a video on a particular topic, I'll also be uploading videos on some practice questions so that we can actually apply the concepts. There'll be detailed notes available, so you can just comment under any of the videos and I shall provide you the notes. And depending on the response, I also plan on hosting live question and answer sessions in case anybody needs help. So that's about it. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.